guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, I'm Katrina, and today I'm going to be unboxing my new pair of AirPods. What we are not going to do today is take the mick out of me for how late I am to this party. I am like 2 years late to this party. However, I've been okay without them. You know, I didn't need them, but I wanted them because my other headphones literally just broke this week. These ones. I've been surviving with the wired ones for quite some time. I do have a pair of wireless headphones which I use for the gym, but you know, sometimes if you're wearing like a nice dress and you're on your way somewhere, it's not really a vibe. So I went out and made the decision, quite impulsively, thank you Lottie, and got some of these AirPods. Now, I don't know what generation they are. I actually have no idea about AirPods, but without further ado, I'm just gonna get straight into it, unbox them, tell you my opinion, because when I got my MacBook back in June, I didn't get a chance to film an unboxing video because I was literally just so excited. I just whacked it open, and I thought today I would do you an unboxing video for my AirPods. Before we do get into this video, if you do enjoy it, please do give it a massive thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let's just get straight into it. Now I'm slowly joining the Apple gang. I got my iPhone XR last summer. I got it in June, which was my second iPhone. Previous to that I had the iPhone 6. I then got another Apple product, which was the MacBook Air 2020, I believe it's called. Look at the back screen, look at it. Going with an autumn theme, can we guess? So I thought the next product would be the AirPods. How do you open it? Is this going to be satisfying or not? I don't like damage the box. Okay, well that did nothing again. I feel like this is like an ASMR video. This is exciting. I've actually heard a lot of really good things about AirPods, so this is like when that guy dropped his iPhone on live TV in Australia. Good one. First things first, we get a pouch. Don't know what's in the pouch, but I'm going to take it out. Oh, they're so pretty! As I've unboxed the, opened the box, you get a little pouch with all these little leaflets in, which I'm about to discover, and you get the AirPods just sat there nice and snug. We'll get to them in a minute. Right, so this is your instructions manual, which I'm definitely going to need because honestly I have no idea. Safety and handling and warranty. You don't get stickers. I mean, does anybody actually keep the stickers like you get with Apple products? Because does everybody remember when you used to stick them on the back of your iPods? Or was it just me? Oh, right, I think to actually like set them up I need my phone, but I don't really know how to do it. It says turn on your Bluetooth and connect to the Bluetooth. Connect the AirPods, open the case, hold near unlocked iPhone, then follow the on-screen instructions and start listening. Is that literally it? You double tap the AirPods to play or skip forward, and you say, hey Siri, to do things like play a song, make a call, or get directions. Right, let's get down to the main event. It's got, do you know when you get an iPhone or an iPad or like any Apple product, you get this and it just oh, this isn't as satisfying as I thought at all. Ah. It came off as one. I thought this was going to be like a real like ooh, ee, ooh, ah kind of thing, but no. It's smaller than I thought, like honestly, like the size of my hand. It's small. First impressions are, I love how light they are. I love that they're so like shiny. I feel like it's definitely going to take me a while to get used to them because honestly I have no idea. Like I see people like doing like that when I'm like out in public and I'm like, I love that they're white as well. White is my absolute favourite colour. And can I just stick it in my ear? Oh. Are these going to be easy to lose? I feel like they are. So, as you can see, they have left and right. They are very tiny, and they literally are just your normal headphones but without the wires, and then they have that on the bottom, which I have no idea what that is. It looks important. I'm excited to order a case for these because I see people like with really nice bougie fancy cases, and I love the little, how it like kind of slams shut, or like I'm guessing that's a magnet underneath, but it's very silky and very pretty indeed, like very. I can't believe I've got official Apple AirPods. Who am I? I am rich now. You can literally disguise these. What's that? Sorry, I can't hear you. Where am I? I'm gonna be having my hair tied up like this from now on and be like, what's that? Oh yeah, I've got AirPods. Sorry. Okay, now I'm going to be testing out how easy they are to assemble / connect to my phone / sound quality. So I'm going to follow the instructions, and I'm a bit concerned because that is flashing. It has a little light indicator there, like an LED light, which is flashing orange at the minute. So I'm guessing that maybe means they need charging, but I'm going to turn on my Bluetooth and see what happens. I have no idea, honestly, no clue. And this is why we read instructions, because here I am waiting for it to show up on my other devices on the Bluetooth section, and on the instructions it says open the case and hold near your iPhone. So I'm going to do that, then follow on screen instructions. Ooh! Stop it. Can you guys see that? Look at how fancy that is. Ooh. So I'll click connect. No way! Oh my gosh. So as you can see, it says Katrina's AirPods, and it's telling me how much percentage I have on the actual AirPods themselves and the case, which is so cool because I'm guessing you recharge the case and then that charges the AirPods. And the fact that they've come with like 73%. Well, that means I can use them straight away. Right, so I'll click done. Right, now it's time for a sound test. Alright, this is a raw live reaction. Got my AirPods in, put a bit of dynamite on. No way! That sound quality is amazing. What the heck? They're so tiny. How do they have such good sound quality? What the hell? I'm gonna try doing one of those tappity tap tap things because I have no idea. I don't have anything playing, but it says double tap the AirPods to play. So does it matter which one? This is so cool. How do you pause it? Okay, so I double tapped and that's paused it. But it also says it skips forward, so how does it know whether you want to skip forward? I'm very confused, but I'm very impressed at the same time. Right, let's give it a quick test on the good old laptop as well, see how easy it is to connect them. I've got my Bluetooth on. Right, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to hold it near them. I'll bring you down. So as you can see, it's come up with the AirPods, so I'm going to select that and see what happens. Do I double tap? What do I do? Honestly, like, sometimes I think I'm smart and then, like, I get a new Apple product and I'm just like, what the heck do I do? Like, I like to think I'm pretty switched on, but... So I've just clicked connect, so I'm going to put them in and see if it works and if it was that simple. Because I'm going to be impressed if it is. Right, let's give it a go. Let's give it a go. Let's play my intro music. Okay, why has that stopped when I've taken one out? And now it started again. And now it's paused. What the heck? Playing my intro music. Are you ready? Are you listening? I don't know if you can hear this. Right guys, you're just gonna catch me just doing this all the time because I've got AirPods now. No, but in all seriousness, yes, I'm very impressed so far. And to be fair, I did get a couple of opinions before I did buy them, because obviously they are a lot of money, but they're kind of an investment, and I always use that as a way to justify big purchases. I was like, my MacBook, it's an investment. My TV, it's an investment. Well, when you think about it, they kind of are. But I did need a new pair of earphones, and it was either these or Beats. But I've definitely heard that these are up there in the top 10, if not the top 1. But yeah, really good first impressions. I'm probably going to be listening to a lot more music now for some reason. Now I have teeny tiny headphones to walk around in discreetly with. Yeah, very happy. This is my second product review this week. Who am I? But if you guys did enjoy this video, it's a little bit different. Please do give it a massive thumbs up like I said earlier. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.